Hello everyone, Rafael Evangelista here. I am co-founder and head of products of La Fabrique Flottante. We are testing our first Open Atelier. It's a new way to show you how we work daily to build this company, this new phase of Fabrique. Just a little brief. The Fabrique Flottante, it's a product studio. We have been a software house for almost 5 years, serving clients around Europe, Asia, and Africa. But now, since December last year, we changed to our own products, platforms for musics, entrepreneur, IoTs also. So we open the camera now. We're gonna be sharing with you daily with music, some music that we like, some products, some insights, and some connections, and the normal daily life of building a company in this roadmap. Okay, so let's start sharing a little bit. What we have to do now is to understand my schedule. So I just show you here a little bit my agenda of today. I had a call with Jean Baptiste. Doesn't work very well because we had a little problem here in transmission. He is in Vivatech. Maybe we do a new call tomorrow, and we're gonna share this for everybody, for everyone who want to see. The main point is now I'm gonna work for a general work sprint, little things, normal things. I'm gonna put some music that I like, and then I try to call Guga in a few minutes, our CEO, to make a fast sync if he's available. Then we're gonna make a pause, and then we try to call a musician called Robert Veras to understand the pain points for our product called Dale Gig, a platform for musicians. And then Vibe Code is printing. This is the normal day of a head of products. So let's start. I'm gonna make some general work here, and I'm gonna put some good music. Let's continue with Rival Consoles, the music of this band that I love so much. This experiment so much. The sound they made. It's called Rival Consoles. It's the music we have been listening. Between I share my screen and you work from there, I work here, and we keep working together. So we listen now. Rival Consoles was a very good group. Now I'm working now on the vibe coding of new products. Just to tell you how we made so fast new products and adjust new products. We create a pipeline for this kind of development, and that is very fast. And I'm gonna show you here. For example, I have a slide here that can show you better. It's, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna put in a little bit big screen. You can see we made this vibe coding pipeline to that we uses the basis like beta users feed us with a lot of information to understand what we have to improve in our solutions. So at the beginning we made just an MVP, and with this MVP we can understand the needs more deeply, and this is a continuous way to work, a continuous ways to understand the problem. And then with this beta users, the beta users has always in all the products has a possibility to give feedbacks. These feedbacks we understand, we centralize in our another system. We create a system, it's called No Drama. It's not launched in the market yet, but it's gonna be launched when it's gonna be very strong. But we use already internal to understand and centralize all the feedbacks from the users from the products. So in this system we can understand, centralize, and also create the backlog for new tasks. So we can understand very fast, in a very brief way, the AI understands all the tasks and creates these reports, this backlog very resume. And me or the guy from the team understand the problems, understand the tasks, validate the tasks, and if everything's okay, we create the orchestration manifesto agents to build these tasks in a very fast way. So the tasks like 10 tasks can be done in 2 minutes. So, and then of course we don't launch yet. We need validation. So you create also an QA tester, an AI and a hybrid with a human, sometimes me, sometimes others, to test if all this new development made by vibe coding it's working well. If everything's work well, okay, we launch in the markets the new improvement. So all this pipeline made us be very fast in the new developments, and we have just 50 minutes to make all the pipeline. So when we arrive the feedback, we take almost 15 minutes to develop new things and launch in the market with tested new features. So this is the way we work to have more faster way, more competitive way, and work with a lot of products that we work here in the La Fabrique Flottante. So this is very interesting. This is very exciting. At the same time, we have to think in so many projects at the same time. And now I'm continue here, and I put music for you guys. Let's go with Zamba Noob from Finlandia, my group. Hello guys. And now, as you can see, I'm entering a mix of vibe coding and analyzing all the demands and that comes in emails, WhatsApp, everything else. So now I just want to show you this pipeline because we created this system. It's called No Drama, as I told you before. Here I can, as you can see, I have centralized all the demands by each project. As you can see, this small circle, yellow circle, you can see all the new tasks I need to code. I need to code by vibe coding, of course. I don't write any line. I just analyze, authorize, and then I'm gonna test if the vibe code is doing well. Of course, I know all the architectures in the project, so it's easy to me to understand and authorize very fast each new demand, each new task, each new feedback. So as you can see here, for example, we are coding now one of these 9 tasks for no drama as well. No drama is improvement as well, and he is now coding by codex in a VS Code, and as all the new entrepreneur way to works, you coding, you do the tasks at the same time. And then we have to wait here. I have we have to wait the new task. The task now it's because we have a little bug in No Drama to understand when the AI creates the demand. So I'm asking the codex to do it. He's finishing right now. He takes some time. I'm gonna see now. I just say that it's working now. It's okay. Okay. And we made a hard refresh to work if it's working well. I think it's working well. Yes, yes. Now yes. I just gonna ask for some things news, and then I'm gonna make a pause. Just one more music because we love music. This last music it's from the group Sigur Rós from Iceland. So nice, this group. I love it. The music, their music. And now I'm gonna search for another music. Let's see something not too heavy, right? But at same time inspiring. Let's go with Chiasmus. Everybody wants to know more and follow me each Thursday, each week. I'm gonna be in the same day, same time, connecting here, open the camera and open this atelier. And we are building this company each day, each step by step, and we try to share with you guys. It's a huge journey until launch the new products. Next week, you're gonna launch new products, new improvements of the existing products, and I keep you updated. Please subscribe, turn on notifications here, and let's work together each week, one day per week. I think it's gonna be fun. I think it's gonna be interesting. And please, if you have any questions, interact in the chat. I try to respond to answers as soon as possible because we have to concentrate, but at the same time I try to take a look in the chat. Okay, so let's keep it going. Let's go with Chiasmus. This music I like it very much. It's called Looped. Okay, we listened to Chiasmos. Was very very cool. Now I have a call with my partner, co-founder also of La Fabrique Flottante. She's called Cecilia. She has been since the beginning, almost since the beginning. We're gonna ask. We're gonna talk a little bit about today, the first Open Atelier here. The problems we had at the beginning, and I try to always improvement. Let me try to call her. Um, As you can see, the best way to coding, vibe coding, it's three things. I'm I'm improving. Of course, it's a new way to code with vibe coding. But for me, the best way it's to connect to three things. I'm gonna tell you after this call because Cecilia is entering now to test it. Let's see if it works well. Hi, Ceci.
Hi.
Hi.
Are you listening?
Tell me.
Are you, are, can you hear me? Okay. Uh, Yeah, just fine.
Perfect. Because we always had this problem. I think it's working. And then we're gonna see in the transmission if it's working well. The idea of this Open Atelier, it's like this. It's like each product. We have the moment of beta. This is now the beta moment to test it and to see everything else. So just to keep you informed here, I'm creating this part of the gig. Also, I'm doing a vibe coding today with all these new tasks, little tasks Google sent to me just to improve. And I think for Monday, next Monday, we're gonna have a finish all work rate today for the beta users entering in the platform. At the same side, Dalegiga as well. I think next week also we can invite the first beta users to the platform and start to receive feedbacks and everything else. So let's go. Let's keep going. Okay.
That's just great. That's great news, Rafa.
Yeah. Let's keep it. Like, I keep you updated all the time. Okay. So anything you need, just send me messages. And That's it for. It's to test this connection also.
It's,
Okay.
I'll be here.
Okay, perfect. We keep in touch. See you. See ya. Bye bye.
Good work. Bye.
Thanks. So I hope this works. I don't know if this works well for you guys in the broadcasting. I'm gonna see after this video if it works or not. And let's keep going. I think it's a little bit lagging, the image. Maybe we keep improvement. Like all the projects, we need to improve the projects all the time. But before this call, I was saying about, for me, my opinion, what is the best way to do vibe coding for entrepreneurs for each project, no matter who entrepreneur you are, no matter market you work. If you use vibe coding to create your website or application or system automation, uh, all these months working with this new dynamics learned me that three things is very important. One is to create agents and manifesto before the project, before any demands, any prompt. You need to create a very precise, very detailed manifesto of what you want to build. What is your idea? I think this is the first important moment before. It's like any project. You have to plan. You have to plan well. Imagine all the situations, and then create a manifesto. It's like a text, a document that explain each screen, each user experience, each information, each need of your idea. Then with this document, you go for the first prompts to create the projects. Of course, you need also some technical background. Everybody that says vibe coding is for everyone, I think that is very dangerous because you needed to have a little knowledge in the architecture to create more solid systems, more solid solutions. So, in my opinion, you need to have a little background. If you don't have this knowledge, tech knowledge, just ask for anybody. But don't try to do vibe coding you alone if you don't have any experience because the system one day I hope is going to be scalable. And when it's going to be scalable, the system has to be built very strong at the beginning. If not, you're going to have a huge problem in the future. So in this beginning, the solid foundations, it's important. So talk to anybody. It's not only put some prompts and have an application. If it's very simple, it's okay. But when mostly when you are building something, you want more things, you want more features. So it's normal. This system's gonna be more complex. So the system needs at the beginning has a good foundations. This is another point very well doing using vibe coding, in my opinion. The third point is deploy, creating in the vibe vibe coding, creating deploying systems that easily send, create test environments, but also production environments, and this can be automated inside the vibe coding and gives you a more fast, easily way to deploy, easily way to test, and easy in the fastest way to see the solution live. This pipeline we created, it's based on that. We can easily connect the deploy after a vibe coding and go directly to environment tests, test easily, fasted, and it gives okay to deploy in another script to the production. So the deploy is also important to create environments, automated environments to have a test, more easy and faster way to test, and a more easily faster way to send it to the final production in online for the final user. So the deploy system is important to set up when you are vibe coding. This gives you a lot of speed. And the last point, I think it's very important to test, create a system also in the vibe coding. It create a system to serve as a KA tester that understand the tests the UX, test the UI, test everything of new features you are improving. So it's very important to test it, but you also can automate this kind of tests using vibe code. So if you use these 4 practical ways to work with vibe code, I think it's going to be very, very potential. 1, create a very good manifesto. Document with you all the details of your idea before any prompt. 2nd, talk to anyone that has more knowledge. Create the basis more solid. It's not only put prompts there. It's gonna be a mess if you are scalable in the future. So it's better to have a good foundation at the beginning, right? So tell to anybody that has this knowledge. 3rd, create deploy systems to environment tests and the production tests. I think it's very important to create very automated systems of deploy and send to GitHub, send to the productions, very easy. This gives you, don't take your energy doing deploys, analyzing deploys. So automated this. It's a simple task. but it's very important to give you speed, to use better your energy, and then try to create automations for testers. Testers, it's very important, and the hybrid testers, it's important as well. Don't give it 100% the task to test for a machine tester. Test yourself also. The part of time use it, you're testing the product, you're testing the new feature. Go into your environment test and then see the solution, see if it's working and if it's working, okay, you have more precisely, we have more solid features to launch in the production environment. That's it. Okay. So now I want to just make a pause because here is almost too much time to do it. And for me, I want to show you one of our products. I'm just have to take a look if it's working well, the broadcast here, because as I told you before, this is our first transmission. So I wanted to take a look in the YouTube if everything's okay, because we never know. So give me a time. I'm gonna put another music just before my pause. Very good music. I remember. Do you know Bonobo? Bonobo, it's a very good producer. He's so good, and I love her music. It's called Cirrus. I don't know if I speak well, but this music, it's so good. Very good, Bono Bono. It's amazing. Um, Now I'm gonna prepare myself to, as you can see, I'm preparing one of our products. It's called Hitoiki, and I'm gonna make a pause. The Hitoiki is made for 15 minutes pause with Japanese ceramics, as you can see here, and the Japanese teas, and you have a trigger for your mental disconnection. So let me show you a little bit, and let's disconnect a little bit because it works every time. It's not too good. And just a second, I prepared the tea. It's almost done. Yes, it's almost done. And the idea is to, let me show you here. The idea is you have this, all this ensemble items, and you scan the QR code here, and you're gonna have for 50 minutes a disconnection trigger for your mental health. Because my problem, I don't know if it's your problem also, but my problem is even if I take 50 minutes of pause, it's my brain doesn't disconnect. So I need some disconnection. I need some trigger, and this is more directly to disconnection. I'm gonna show you here in the screen what I'm gonna see it here in my phone with this scan. As you can see, there is a there is a good information to disconnect. When you scan, you see this information. It's in French. Faites attention à l'arôme d'une tasse. I'm gonna change for. I'm gonna create another in English, just so you can see it. Sorry. The pause is started. So you have this information, and now I can start it again. Just a second. Just a second, because I wanted to show you. It's very good. Very, very good. It's impossible because he wants to see my tools. And you put this your mobile phone in the phone jail, and you turn to 50 minutes so you can disconnect. So enjoy your time of pause. I gonna enjoy this time to explain you a little bit more about what you are doing here. As you can see, we are a small team. We are a small small company, but at the same time we work from homes. We are spread everywhere. I'm here between Paris and the countryside Spain. And also there is people, Guga, the CEO, is in Lisbon, Portugal. There are people in Brazil. Most of people, the team is in Brazil. There are some people in France, and we work out together, connected. As you saw this call with Cecilia, she is in São Paulo, and the idea is to connect and create together some new products that we feel the pain, we know the person, the persona, to understand well how to give the best solution for each pain. I was, as you can see here, I was musician. I'm a musician as well. I just don't play too much, but I'm a musician also. Let's see if the tea is good. Nice tea. Japanese tea is amazing. And I played the cello for almost 20 years. I made a lot of concerts in 22 countries, so it's very very good. And it's good to give information to how to make the best solutions. So in this first open atelier, I just wanted to show you that we're gonna open this camera to show how we made these solutions every week, how we go, how we have victories, mistakes, how we learn. And next week is going to be very important because it's the started point for beta users. It's going to be the first buyers of these products. Hitoiki is going to be the first users for the platforms for musicians. Dalegig is going to be. We're going to have the first beta users for Workrate today, our platform for matchmaker, business matchmaking. So we're going to start this journey in this new phase. Before we were a software house, now we are a product studio. And this will only work with the people that want to come with us, give the feedbacks to help us to improve the products. I don't believe the products that is very very good solution, but is not tested in a real environment. I believe the products that learns each day with the users, learn the path, learn how to improve, learn new features need with the users, and it's a collective construction, collective building, right? So I think it's like this. And Hitoki born from talking with users, with people that once can't disconnect, and we created this solution, and that we triggers your mind in the 50 minutes with good Japanese teas, but also this very beautiful ceramics, handmade, and all this you buy and they come in a box for you, all these items, and it's a IoT connected technology connected with very craft handmade objects, and this is so beautiful to keep it in your table, work table, or maybe in your part of your home. And this is Hitoiki. It's gonna be launched next week. We are working a lot to launch, to make a good release, and it's gonna be fun. It's very good, guys. It's very good. So at the same time, this is a channel to keep you updated with all what we are doing here. We are just normal people, creative people that create products all the time, that's why we open the camera and work with me. I want to know you more. I want everybody is watching this video can write in the chat, and we can discuss. We can talk to each other everywhere in the world, because there is a lot of entrepreneurs like us. I'm sure. And it's a good, beautiful, and intense journey to create a company, right? But when you have the good team, and you have the good people, and you have a resilience also, there is a lot of potentials. You need more empathy also to understand what your users need, and it's a continuous development to understand what is the pain deeply, and understand how to improve your solution for this pain. And this is an exercise, everyday exercise. No? So I hope you buy a Hitoik someday and enjoy the tea. It's so good. Okay. Let's put some music and wait to just finish a little bit. Just a little bit of set. I want to show you the set here. I work for my home my countryside in Spain home when I am not in Paris. And this is a normal set, and working with my ordinateur, my computer, a cello here to play sometimes to balance life. And yes, it's a normal set. And there's here's behind me. You can see the machine, the printer, 3D printer, and all the stuff to create the prototypes, the physical products prototypes. You're gonna have a lot of prototypes coming this year yet, but the first one, as I show you, is Hitoiki. Hitoiki was made in two colors, in two kind of products, but it's the same solution to trigger your mind for 15 minutes with good objects. And everything was created here and tested here and send it to everybody to test and to receive reports, receive feedbacks. So that's it. And I just ask you, please subscribe, turn on these notifications, because we want to keep in contact, we want to connect with other entrepreneurs or other musicians, everybody that is creating projects, right? I think it's important to share our ideas, to inspire together, to share inspiration, right? Sorry for my bad English. I'm Brazilian, as you can see. Brazilian with a French and mixed accent, but I think we can communicate. Let's come back to music just to finish the pose, and then I will come back to vibe coding and finish this transmission, this broadcasting for today, because I need to concentrate myself. There is a lot of work today to do it yet, and that's it. Let's go. Let's search for a good music now. I have an idea. Something more deep. Do you know a group? It's called Mahal. They play with masks. It's so nice. And there is a music. It's called Or. Enjoy. Hey guys, sorry for cut the music, but we will come back. It's just to show you that it's finished here. Hitoik, it's finished the 50 minutes. So let's come back. Let's recuperate my phone and see. Yes, I'm gonna share my screen so you can see it. What's going on? Let's take. And you can see, as you can see here, it's finished the pose, and the system Hitoiki wants to understand how was this pose if you really disconnected, and you give the stars. These stars is very important for the system because Hitoiki will understand what is good for you and improve the future triggers. The next triggers is gonna be more precisely. Understand what is good for you, and if you wanna you're gonna receive also in your mail the improvements for this pose, not only to be Hitoiki, but one mail per month you're gonna receive with information like how to improve your healthy in your poses. For example, sometimes maybe it's good to not be here just drinking a tea. Maybe it's good to drink a tea walking in your home, in your neighborhood for 50 minutes. This can be good for you, and this we understand by the system and send you this information. So this kind of product is the product that we believe it's the products that make disconnection of all this saturated modern world of performance, high performance, everything. We need balance. We need solutions that engage us to be more humans and make the machines do their works. And I think it's what we believe here in La Fabrique Flottante. It's called La Fabrique Flottante because we are a product studio, so it's a fabric. So let's come back to the work here. We finished the pose, and I will put some music to do the final vibe code sprint, and then I will finish this broadcast transmission and see you next week. Let's come back with the same music. This music I love it also. Closey, dream big. Dream big. It's important. So guys, thank you to be with me in this first Open Atelier. I promise it's gonna be better. Sorry for the mistakes. We made a lot of mistakes in this transmission. It's the first. It's normal. It's like every product. It's a beta. It's to test. So please subscribe, turn on notifications, and we have this moment together every week. And you're gonna see we are building these solutions, how is going solutions, how is going the learning in the market, everything we're gonna share with you guys. So thank you, thanks for joining us, and we keep it going. And good luck for everybody.